Hi, in this video I will show you how to delete Google Form responses after submission. So as you can see right here on my Google Forms, I have in here these responses. You can see that I have three responses. We have in here their name, the shirt size, and other thoughts and comments. So as you can see, there is no method to delete each responses right here. Even if I click onto these three dots, you can just choose the select destination and delete all of them. However, what will do if you just need to delete one. What we can do is we can click onto this link to sheets option and then choosing here to create a new spreadsheet and click on create. Once it's been linked to a spreadsheet, it should be able to show up right here into our actual Google Sheets. You can see it right here. So for example, let's delete in here the query of C. You can head over and then just select in here their actual answer. Now, once you have selected right here their answer, you can head over and delete it. And once it's been deleted, make sure to save it right here. Then head over right here to your t-shirt sign up and then refresh it. Now from in there, you should be able to see this. Head over right here again to your responses. And then in here, this will take some time in order to load it. So although it will not respond into your responses, it will respond or it will actually reflect into your Google Sheet. So that's how you delete Google form responses after submission. Hope we helped.